How to record a matching gift donation in Salesforce. So one of your donor working for big organization or even small organization which have the matching gift program. So they donated, let's say $100, and the company in which they are working donated another $100. So in total, your organization, your nonprofit organization received $200. But there's a special way how you need to do it inside of Salesforce. I'm a board member of one Ukrainian nonprofit organization called Dignitas Ukraine. And we just faced this issue that we couldn't figure out how to do it. So I just want to share with you the process that we learn how it's supposed to be done. There's a few steps that you need to follow. First, you need to create organization and put a check mark that this is matching gift organization. So how to do it? To create our organization, you need to create account for that organization. You click under accounts and click new, and you select organizations. And in my case, it's a Microsoft, and you scroll down and there's matching gift company. If you have any other information about this company, like how much they donate, who is the contact person for that program, you can put all this information here. But for our purposes, how to record a matching gift donation, you just need to check mark that this company is a matching gift company. Click Save. And now you have a Microsoft company which has a matching gift company checkmark. So this is step number one. By the way, if you have any other company already in your system, CRM system in Salesforce, and you want to go back and add it, you can do that as well. Click Edit here and scroll down to this section, and put a check mark there. So this is step number one. Step number two, we need to create a new opportunity. In this case, it's a donation. So I'm doing new donation, next. So you're entering as any other donation, so nothing special here. So you enter the opportunity name, the account name, the primary contact, you put the amount, you put the close date, you put stage closed won. When you scroll down, matching gift employer, in this case it's a Microsoft, so I'm putting Microsoft, and also you need to find the matching gift account, Microsoft, here as well. So everything looks good now, and you click Save. As you can see here, this person donated $2,500 and the company matched $2,500. So we need to acknowledge a person for their donation of $2,500. So we send them through our Salesforce and integration with email marketing platform. We send a receipt. By the way, I have another video how to create that tax receipt, prove that that person donated to your organization. So watch that video how to set it up, because it's required by IRS here in US. Okay, so we created the donation that person made. Now we need to create the money that company matched. So now let's go to Microsoft account, scroll to opportunity section and click new. And here, instead of donation, we click matching gift, click next. So I'll use this person first and last name. I put the date here, and I put the date. This person donated $2,500. I need to put the date, which is October 16th. I need to put the amount, $2,500. I need to put close won, because we did receive this money. Okay, so everything looks good here. Click Save. Let's find this donation. Okay, you see, I opened this donation inside of the organization, and on the right side there's match gifts. It says 0, because there is one last step we need to do. So we need to find that person donation, the original donation, not the company donation, but original donation, the money that person donated. Okay, so we found it, and we click drop down here and click Edit. Scroll down, and you see match gift. Now we need to find that gift that company donated. So we find the matching gifts from the company and click Save. So now when we go to this company donation, if I refresh, You see, it's matched gift. So basically those two gifts are tied together right now in the Salesforce, and when you generate some different kind of reports, it will show you that this person donated and this company matched the gift based on behalf of this person. So you are able to create different reports, you can able to generate different receipts, and whatever you need to do, you are able to do it inside of Salesforce. I know it's a little bit confusing first time when you do it, but when you do it few times, it would be very self-explanatory how to do it. I hope it helps. In case you have any additional questions, please leave them under this video and I'll make sure to answer them. Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today.
Hey, if you're watching this and you like what you see, please hit subscribe and hit the bell because it helps us grow our channel.